Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily disable Windows 11 password login and lock screen. So let's just start. Now how we can actually do it and what is the way of doing it. You want to go to search and then right here one thing, and that's net plwiz, and right click on it. Like just click on it, and right then you can have this. I have two accounts here, and then users must enter username and password to use this computer. You want to uncheck it and then apply and OK. And this is pretty much it, how you can disable Windows 11 password login and lock screen. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And also, if this video was helpful, write down below in the comments that this video helped you. So when other people will come here, they will know that it's actually worth it to watch this video. So thank you very much. And this is how you can disable Windows 11 password login and lock screen. See ya.